The overall goal of this experiment is to demonstrate the measurement of chloride ion concentration in aqueous electrolyte using a chronopotentiometric technique, which is a dynamic measurement technique and does not need a long-term stable reference electrode.
This technique will help us answering key questions in the field of analytical chemistry and concrete application. For example, measuring chloride ion concentration inside concrete.
The development of this technology is quite relevant for the future application of sensing chloride ion concentration in concrete, because only with this technology we can be able to make sensors that can measure for a long term in concrete in the future.
Prior to starting this procedure, deposit silver metal on a glass chip to form a planar silver electrode. Place the chip in a polytetrafluoroethylene chip holder, which has electrical connections and contains an electrochemical cell. To chloridize the silver electrode to form a silver chloride electrode on the chip, pour 0.1 molar iron chloride solution in the cell until the silver color of the electrode becomes dark grayish. Following this, rinse the chip with deionized water to remove the excess iron chloride. After preparing the electrolyte and setting up the potentiostat, pour 5 milliliters of 1 millimolar potassium chloride solution with a 0.5 molar potassium nitrate background electrolyte in the electrochemical cell.